We got our new compressor, our new fan motors. This is a secret weapon dryer, the H.V.A.C. cap tube dryer, H.V.A.C. And it is the super duper. So you got to add 3 ounces. Tells you how many ounces to add for this dryer. 3 ounces added. But the H.V.A.C. is for your cleanup if you've had a burnout. Let's get in there and start ripping stuff apart and cleaning things up. Tippins is gonna sit this one out. That's right, Tippo. We're bringing in the big dog. This guy's coming in. You could sit on your ass over there. We'll come get you if we need you. Starting off, I cut this one right off here. We're gonna do the flex trick right here. Get that out. I got my cap tube cutter right here. We can cut this dude back. There it is. Cap tube cutter. Cap tube cutter. Cap tube cutter. JB makes that one. All right, let's get cracking. All right, these are 10 millimeter metric. I knew this whole thing looked metric. So, we got the metric sockets. Look at it, we're taking things apart here. And I'm gonna back blow that evaporator, the cap tube. And well, let's get this out of there. We'll seal it up so we don't make the Exxon Valdez. And we'll put a fitting in there and we'll back blow. And we'll see what we can get out of this thing. Y'all know we live on our knees. And I'm telling you right now, the knee pros are the best. Link in description, you can get these things. I get a little kickback from Amazon. I got the compressor out, got it sealed up. Now we're getting these condenser fan motors out here because I'm gonna go clean this thing up. These are 7 millimeter. Yeah, 7 millimeters. The mounting nuts for the motor onto the bracket, 7 millimeter. We're gonna get these out of there. I got new motors. All right, there she is, stripped down condenser. I'm gonna take this out back and wash the crap out of it. We're gonna wash up the condensate pan. I gotta make a new condensate loop as well. So, and I'm gonna reconnect these connectors for the condenser fan motors. But I need to tape up the ends here before I wash it. You don't want any water getting in there. I got the skid out here at the back of the restaurant store because I'm gonna do the big scrub out, but we can see what killed the compressor. Compacted. It's totally plugged. Yep. That's what did it. I'm gonna use the garden hose. I'm gonna get some coil cleaner too and do a super duper on it. All right, I had to bring you guys along for the ride. Here we go. First run. Oh yeah. There's a coil in there. So let's go first run. And we'll get some cleaner. I got this coil cleaner I get on Amazon. AC safe. They used to be $5. Now I think they're 18. Look at that low VOC. Yeah. You know you love it. This is the best part. And the bottom part of that coil is nasty. We're just getting started on this job. We still got to back blow the cap tube. A bunch of other stuff. I'm going for the whole thing. We'll be able to flip it and backwash it and everything. Look, we're going to get this whole thing cleaned up. That plate we'll have to scrub on, physically scrub on it. This one is from 2018, so it's not too bad. Yeah, look at this. Dirty. She's one dirty bugger. Oh yeah. I'm gonna flip it and backwash it. All right, here's a look at all the stuff that comes out of there. This is all the stuff that's coming out of the coil. You can see it down here. Kind of went everywhere. That coil was dirty. She's over here drying right now. You gotta try. So we were able to backwash it, front wash it. Yeah, you can see right through it now. Now she can breathe. All right, we can start our rebuild. This is the condensate pan. I'm getting it cleaned out too with some coil cleaner. We're gonna get it all scrubbed up to the max too. See if these are gonna work. These are actual Tecumseh square motors. Let's see how they do. All right, these guys are getting it too. The condenser fan blades. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh, we're getting happy. Look at that. That's nice. All right, we got the new condensate loop. Got my fitting in. I'm doing my back blow. My cap tube's fine. Nothing really came out of there. I'm stoked on my back blow. Got our fan motors in. We're gonna bolt in the compressor and we'll braze in the compressor and the dryer. We'll be ready for business. That's a big back blow all the way up through the coil and then back out backwards. It's an old trick I learned doing ultra lows. Coil's all tidied up. We're making progress. I got this thing on the pressure test, nitrogen pressure test, and it's looking good. As soon as I get that done, we'll get it on the vacuum pump. And our H.V.A.C. 052 HH dryer, we got all that done. And we'll pull the vacuum, get it charged up, and see if this thing works. All right, we're pulling our vacuum. Had to break it with nitrogen twice. You only bring it up to like 3 psi when you do that. My oil, man, I should have filmed it. The oil was so dirty. It's looking good now. Turning the corner. All right, we got it charged up. I weighed in 32 ounces. It was nice that the dryer told us how much to add. We're on time delay. And we'll tune back in when it runs. Fingers crossed. All right, there she is. She's pulling down. Where are we at now? 30. Liking what I'm seeing. Now the big trick is getting this thing back in there without kinking the lines. Let's take a look here. Without kinking the lines and then getting the drain lined up into the drain pan. And you kind of have to come in from this section and guide it back, but I'm going to turn power off when I do that and just really take my time getting that in there. Got 2 new condenser fan motors are kicking. I used regular wire nuts on those to keep the connectors. The HH dryer, went back with 404 on this one because I still got some on my truck. I'm not sure what's going to happen when I run out. We'll see how that pans out. But yeah, coil's totally cleaned out. Like, see light behind me. That coil, dirty coil, took out the compressor. I'm pretty sure we're down to 29 and dropping. All right, thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you liked it. Hit the subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. Leave a comment, and we'll chat about it. And I'll see you on the next one.